Hey, what's going on, everybody? So as I told you guys in my last video, I've been reaching back trying to pick up some things from 2019 that I missed out on, some shoes that I thought were really dope, and my last pickup just came in the mail today, so I'm very excited to show you guys what I got. So for me, one of my favorite silhouettes ever is the Air Max 90. I always loved this shoe. There's always a variety of colors that I wanted to have in my collection. And last year, this shoe came out. I actually missed out on it, but I really wasn't on it as heavy as I was maybe towards the end of the year. So on the box, you've got Pure Platinum, Electric Green. And here it is, the Air Max 90 New Species. You guys can see all of the detail on this shoe already. It's just ridiculous. You've got the suede upper, you've got scaling on the mid panel here, and then you've got the scales on the swoosh itself, and then on the toe cap, you also have that scale pattern, the super soft suede. On the toe, you can see the little brushed, little strokes going on right there. Super ultra soft suede on the inner lining of the shoe throughout. You've got it on the inside of the tongue, that same peach and that super soft suede. And you've got the scales on the tongue, really dope touch. You can see it all the way through. Super clean, man. I love this shoe instantly. This does not glow in the dark. I thought they did at first, gave it a little test, but they do not. You got an extra set of laces in that green, which I think is super clean. I don't know how I missed out on this shoe. I can't wait to throw these on feet. These are crazy. Share your thoughts, man. Let me know what you guys thought of this shoe. Was this a cop for you? Was this not? Did you guys even check for this shoe? I know there was a lot of shoes in 2019 that came out. A lot of hype, of course. So there are some shoes that fell under the radar. So I actually picked these up off of Picks on Fire over retail, about $220 for these. And I think they're worth every penny. I think the quality on this shoe is amazing. Let me know what you guys think. I've got about 2 or 3 more pairs of shoes from 2019 that I'm going after. That might take some time, but I will get them eventually. As always, I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for what's coming up. I will catch you on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.